Hello class, welcome to Math 101. My name is Colleen Radke and I am going to be your instructor for the next 7.5, well, it's about 7 weeks, 7.5 weeks we got here. There's a lot of math to learn in 7 weeks. So I wanted just to show you a quick video outlining some important things from the class. In the Welcome Start Here tab, click on that here quickly. Notice that this course does not require a textbook, okay? Your textbook will be located in the class material, okay? So it will be located inside your Alex portion of the class, and I'll show you that in just a second. I wanted to show you some helpful documents. The classroom expectations, the supplemental syllabus, your tracking calendar, your course syllabus, session dates, and disclosure form is there as well. In these documents, you will find answers to your introductory quiz from week 1. Okay. So, and lastly, an important paragraph right there. Okay. Let's go into weeks, and each week you're going to see at the top which week you're working on. Right now it's week 1, so when you click on week 1, it says welcome, begin. Your first assignment for week 1 is to jump into the discussion. Now, a couple things. Some of these up here, your headings, are not highlighted, meaning they don't have an underline under them. That means that if you click on it, nothing will happen. All your information is right here. This, however, do you see how when I hover over this, it shows you that there's a highlight there? That means you can click on that to get more, it'll take you somewhere. In this case, it took you to the discussion. Sometimes it means, we're going to a discussion. Sometimes it means we are looking at other information, or there's going to be more information for you there. So going back, if you see that the title is underlined, it very well could mean that you need to click on it and get either to the discussion or to more information about an assignment. So for example, this says an introductory documents quiz. Click here. Okay, you can go ahead and click it. It will take you to the first quiz for week 1. This is really important. This link right here, I'm going to click on it here. You will be using a mathematical online learning platform called Alex. And these videos are going to give you an outlook into Alex, into how to sign up for it, how to review topics, the knowledge check that will happen at the very, very beginning. So please make sure you are checking each of these short videos out. You will put yourself in a much better position rather than just skipping these videos and playing it by ear. Okay, so please be sure that you are watching all 6 videos in this link right here. You will be using Alex Math, okay, and notice that this heading is not underlined, so this is all the information you're going to get. If you click on anything, it's not going to take you anywhere. So go ahead and read this here. When you are ready to start your assignment, you will actually go up to the Alex Math button. You will click that, and that's the link that will get you into every week's assignment, okay? Lastly, for week 1, there is a graphing report project that we want you to start looking at already, okay? You're not going to have any assignments, but your first thing to do is, don't get overwhelmed, okay? Don't get overwhelmed and think you have to do it all right now. but you will need to kind of read through your report directions and the rubric. Okay, please take a minute, download and print the document that is linked below. This will help you organize all of the directions and deadlines mentally. You might want to write them out in a calendar, but this is your main document. You will choose one option. You'll either go criminal justice route, business route, or medical route. So for week 1, all that we would like you to do is just download and print these documents so you have them there ready at your disposal. Okay, right at your fingertips. Sometimes students wait to the last minute to start working on their projects, and it becomes a disaster. We want you to be successful starting in week 1. Okay. Okay, so coming back to our weeks page here, when you start a week, my suggestion is to have a notebook, a nice thick fat notebook. You can title it week 1 or week 2 or whatever, title your page, and then start keeping track in your notebook of what's assigned. Check off as you move through your documents and move through your assignments. And also, it is a great place in a notebook so that you don't have papers flying everywhere. It's a great place to put your work in for each problem. You'll be having a few different assessments in this class. Please write your work in a notebook. Start writing out all the steps and taking care of the final answers. You will be so glad that you weren't just writing your math work on a random paper or a napkin or somebody's business card and you lost it. Please get a notebook. I can't beg you enough because you're going to have a lot of math steps to write down for each week. Get it in a notebook, start numbering it, and get organized from day 1. I really do feel that students who are organized from day 1 are much more successful in any class that they will be taking. Okay, so we covered our weeks. Each week, a new week will populate. Okay, so we're only on have week 1 right now. Alex will take you to your Alex math section. Okay, and this link here, please use it. Please ask questions. Please ask about specific problems. Don't put things in there that are so general, like, I don't know any of this math. Okay? Put something in there that I can help you with, something specific. Don't be shy. Mrs. Radke, I don't know number 2 on my Alex problem. It looks like this or it reads like this. Be specific, and guess what? You're not only going to help yourself, but you're going to help the 4 or 5 other people in class who had the same question that you did. So use this Ask Your Instructor to get, general questions are great too about the class and about Alex or anything like that. But use this to, let's work together. Let's use their Ask Your Instructor section as kind of like a mini tutorial area where we can communicate back and forth, and your friends and your peers can help you. And that way we're kind of all in it together. All right, another tab, we're almost done here, is this one here, my grades tab. Please check your grades. Every week, check your grades. Errors can happen. Things kind of sometimes can get mixed up as we're transferring between a Learning Alex platform and what are we in here? Blackboard. So check your grades and let me know if something's not right, because we want to make sure that you are getting all the points you have earned. Alrighty. Here's to a great week 1. I hope you guys have a wonderful start to your class, and blessings to you all.